Let's see how we can use the AI Data Reader application for easier data entry. Run the application and then log in with your email and password in OneDay Cloud account. After you log in, you will see a list of your applications. Select the one that you need. Here you should see a list of the application models, but currently you are seeing nothing because you have to add specific tag to the model until it shows. Now, inside our application, inside the smart models, select the model that you want. Inside the tags input, we'll add AI Fill Data App. Let's refresh the current page. Enter the model. From here, you can take one picture or two pictures and then send the data from the image to the dashboard directly. So, for example, here I took a picture for this information. I can also click here so I can take another picture, but be aware that the two images will be for the same item. From here, you can delete the image, and this button will send both of the images. Here, you can see a preview for the item before you create it in the dashboard. As you can see here, I have the same fields. Of course, you can update any of these values. You can cancel and delete the image. And finally, save it. As well, you can click on this icon and open the gallery and then upload an image. Or you can click on this button and then switch to voice mode. The name is Noor. The number is 00112233 and the email is test@onedaycloud.com. From here, you can switch the application. You can log out from here, or you can log out and change the server from here. One last thing, to use this application, you need a developer license. And if you like, you can add two more fields. One is a Boolean field with the tag is AI result. This field will be true by default if you created the item from the application. As well, the file field with a tag of AI file. And this field will have the related image that you created the item from it.